Hi, I'm Eugene and welcome to Ultimate Cars. This is a 2011 Opel Insignia. It's a 2 litre with 130 brake horsepower and it's diesel. The timing belt has been replaced. It's an Irish car with a good service history and it has NCT until the end of April 2023. It has been freshly valeted and everything works, including the air conditioning. It has Bluetooth, cruise control, alloy wheels, everything you'd really need, and a decent boot too. 3 months warranty is included, however this may be extended to 12 months warranty if required. In short, this is an Irish Opel Insignia that has the more powerful 2 litre 130 brake horsepower engine. The timing belt has been replaced, the NCT is April 2023, it comes with 3 months warranty and the bodywork is pretty much immaculate. We are located on Killeen Road, Dublin 10. We may be readily found on Google Maps, but please call prior to coming to view. I'm Eugene. Call me on 01 6260 722. Thanks for watching.